Most music we listen to has some sort of beat or pulse. While listening to a song, the beat is what you tap your foot to. A lot of the music we listen to can be divided into 4 beats. Rhythm refers to the length of time or how many beats a sound lasts. There are symbols in music called notes. Notes represent where there should be sound in music. A whole note is played for 4 beats. Here is an example of a whole note. A half note is played for 2 beats. Here is an example of 2 half notes. A quarter note is played for 1 beat. Here is an example of 4 quarter notes. An eighth note gets half of a beat, so you can actually play 2 eighth notes in 1 beat. Here is an example of 8 eighth notes. There are also symbols in music called rests. Rests represent where there should be silence or no sound in music. A whole rest is 4 beats of silence. Here is an example of a whole rest. A half rest is 2 beats of silence. Here is an example of a half note followed by a half rest. A quarter rest is 1 beat of silence. Here is an example of quarter notes followed by quarter rests. An eighth rest is half of a beat of silence. Here is an example of eighth notes followed by eighth rests. The sequence of different sounds and silences are what make up the rhythm in music. The pitch of a note refers to the highness or lowness of a sound. In the music we listen to, those sounds are separated into 12 different notes, like on the keyboard below. The pitch of a note refers to the highness or lowness of a sound. In the music we listen to, those sounds are separated into 12 different notes, like on the keyboard below. The musical alphabet only has 7 letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. The other notes that fall between these letters are represented by sharps and flats. You'll notice that the notes on the keyboard repeat. These are the same notes, just played at a lower or higher pitch. In written music, we place notes at different locations on the musical staff to represent which pitch should be played. Notes can also have multiple names, like C sharp and D flat. Though the names are different, the notes sound exactly the same. The combination of different notes creates the melody in music. Use the keyboard below to explore the different notes and where they appear on the musical staff.